Hello class. Some of you will probably need to understand how to enroll in EXSS 495 or EXSS 397. Both of these classes are done through a special permission form. This section will take you through a little bit of that process. If you click on this part right here, you will find out that you found this video on how to enroll in these classes. Unlike normal semesters, you can't just go into self-service and enroll yourself into this class. You will need special permission from your academic advisor in order to get enrolled in either EXSS 495 or EXSS 397. You and your academic advisor will decide which class is best for you and how many credit hours you need for each of those classes. After you do that, you can click on this link here, or your academic advisor will, and it will take you to the special permission to enroll link. The link will be completed by you or your academic advisor. You would just follow through the process here by clicking on your 7-digit student ID, and then a drop-down menu will continue to fill as you go through the whole process. You will decide whether you want to take 495 or 397, and you will also determine how many credit hours you want for each of those classes. In that way, you and that form will be then sent to your academic advisor. Your academic advisor will approve it and send it to the registrar. The registrar will then be responsible for enrolling you into that course. So this is an extra step that you have to take, but there are a few prerequisites that need to be made, and because the class is variable credits, the registrar will not allow you to enroll in the class by yourself. So that's one extra step that you have to take. In addition, those students who are taking 495 will also be very close to graduation time, and you will also need to make sure that you have done your application for graduation. That can also be found on self-service, and you will need to talk to your academic advisor about how to complete that form and when you should complete it. But that does need to be done in order for you to graduate. Finally, if you need information about graduation, information like caps and gowns and how to get tickets, that can all be found here as well. Unfortunately, I don't know much about it. They don't send out any information to us, and they send out very little to all the faculty. So please be sure to click on that link if you need any information for that. If you have any other questions about enrolling in classes or in graduation information or the special permission to enroll form, please let me know and I'll do my best to help. I hope you have a great day.